Okay guys, we're going to go, in this video we're going to go over the done-for-you sites, which are the non-stores. We're going to go over those in a little bit more detail so you'll have a little bit better understanding of how the site works and the things that you can do within the site, and kind of where you need to focus your attention. Now this is the front of one of the homepage of one of the done-for-you sites, Halloween sites, and this ad right up here is an Amazon ad that you do have to put in and you do have to update, and I'm going to show you where that's at. Then if we go down, this of course is the Amazon carousel, which is integrated within the theme, and I believe I'll show you where that's at on the other videos, but we'll go over it again. Now, the About, Contact, Privacy, Sitemap are pages. Okay. Now, this home page is this is a static page, and it's kind of like a blog page, and it's a pre-selling page. So your home page is going to be pre-selling the products that you're going to be featuring in your featured reviews. So let's take a look at, now this ad right here is made with a Amazon plugin. Okay, and so let me go ahead and show you just real quick. Let's go back up to this ad. I'm going to show you where that is, where you put that into your site. If we go back over to the dashboard and you look in the left hand side and you click on this link right here where it says theme options, okay, right here where it says top ad 468 by 60 is where you'd want to put in your own code right here for this ad, and that is right here in this area. Okay, it don't necessarily have to be AdSense. In this case it's a Amazon banner, but you will need to add your own right there. And if you don't want to use that, you can just check this box and it will disable the ad space. Now there are other ads that you can put in. Now there is a content ad, which is 200 by 200, which is not enabled at this time, but again that can be any code, and you'd put it in this area, and then you can click this, check this box to enable the ad space, and that will put an ad within your content. And then you have some widget ads, and those are in the widgets. Now this is the theme. This is your theme option. This is the Empire theme options, and what you're going to do, if you go to general settings, the theme style sheet, you're going to have a bunch of different options as far as what color you want your site to be. Okay. The custom logo, all you have to do is upload your own logo if you want to use your own logo. And you can even not use a logo at all. You can check this box and just use a text title without the logo. But this is where you upload your own logo. Then you have some more options down in this area that are not used too terribly much. If you click on styling options, you can choose your backgrounds or your link colors. The navigation options you won't have to use very much. The featured panel we're not using on these sites because we're using a static page, and the featured panel is used on when you are showing your latest post. So the featured panel is only used when you're showing your featured post on the home page. Now again, like I said, we're using a static home page with a very good article and some actual product information right in the middle with a large image that is connected to Amazon. And then we have a buy area right here. Now again, we're not too terribly concerned about promoting products a whole lot on this home page. It's more about pre-selling, okay? And these are going to be your featured reviews. And again, you only want to have 3 or 4 or 5 because if you have a whole bunch, it's going to be hard for you to keep up with them all. So just keep about 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 good featured reviews. And these are all done as posts. And I'll show you those in just a little bit. Now, as far as the theme options, that is, there's really, other than that, you don't need to be concerned with them that much. So this ad right here, again, like I said, it's made by a plugin. And that plugin is called Dynamo AdSense Ads. So if you click on that, it's going to take you to this screen. Now once you get to this screen, what you want to do is click on Settings. And in this area, you're going to put in your own information here. Now again, like I say, whenever I'm building the sites and I'm putting, when I'm putting ads up, I have to put in this information or the ads won't show and you won't know they're there. So you want to come in and replace all of this information with your own information, and this is your API keys from Amazon and then your associate tag. And then you just want to click on Save. At that point, you can go to Ads. What you're going to do here is search for products that you want to include in an ad. Okay, now there's several sizes that you can choose. This is just one of them. But here you're going to search for products that you would want to put in your ad. And once you click on search, you will select the products that you want. And what you will do is you'll give it a name of your campaign. And I'll kind of show you that. You can call them Campaign 1, Halloween, for kids, women's, men. You can have different campaign names. Now, once you get your campaign with the products that you selected, you can go to Insert Ads. And the Insert Ads, what this is for is you can insert an ad above all of your post content and below your post content. Now, we don't have any of these enabled right now, but you do have the option. And you would just select your campaign that you just made and decide whether you want to put it above the content, below the content, or both. And then you want to select the size. And then click Save, and it will add that ad to your post areas. Now, for this ad, it is a widget. This widget is actually a text widget that we put code in the text widget. On the Get Code part, you can select your campaign, then select the size. This particular ad is a 300 by 250. We can click Generate Code, and it's going to output the code for us, where we just copy and select it all and copy it. And then you can go to Appearance, Widgets, right here is that code. This widget, this code right in here, is this ad right here. Okay? And what this widget is a simple ad space widget, almost just like a text widget that you can put anything in. Okay, and that's where this ad goes, the 300 by 250. Now, you don't have to have it there. You can have it anywhere you want, or you cannot have it at all. Okay, now while we're here, the Amazon custom search, you want to go ahead and put in your own Amazon ID right here, just in case people use this function. If they search for products, that is the Amazon custom search, and you want to put in your Amazon ID, and you can name it whatever you'd like, and then you want to save that. The same with the Azon discounts. You want to put in your affiliate ID. This is a widget, and that's what this is. So if one of your customers starts looking for a discount on a certain product and they go buy the product, you want to make sure and have your Amazon affiliate ID in this box. Okay. Now, like I said, the home page is a static page. Okay. Now I'm going to show you where that page is at. So if you go to Pages, go to All Pages. Okay. You'll see your About, Contact, Privacy, and Sitemap page. This page right here is your home page. Okay. So if we go ahead and go into that page, I have a really bad time about the editors not coming up. I don't know why. I haven't figured it out yet. But this is that page. And this is where you can change the content, add content, whatever you'd like. Now remember, normally we don't have any products on this home page, but in this case we do. Okay, this image is a product link, and then of course this buy area. So within this, you want to make sure and have your links associated with your own Amazon link associated with this buy area and this image. Now there's an easy way to do that, or you can just delete these and bring your own in here. But if you just want to use these, which I recommend, is you want to click on this button. Okay, this little icon right here that says Find and Replace. If you just click on that, it's going to bring up a box, and it's going to ask you what you want to find. And what you type in here is your ID /20, and then you want to replace. Actually, I'm sorry. No, that is right. That is right. In this box, you want to place your ID /20 and replace it with your own Amazon ID. And then click on Replace All, and that will insert your ID into the correct place on the image in the buy area. And that's all you have to do. Okay? That's all you need to do there. And that will change, insert your own Amazon ID on the picture and then the buy area. Okay, so this is your home page. This right here is your home page. Okay. Now let's take a look at your individual reviews. And there's 3 of them. Okay, there are 3 that are done for you. And that's what these are. So if we take a look at one, here's that page. Now, I absolutely recommend that you come into, pardon me, the video played. I absolutely recommend that you come into each individual of these reviews and come in and add some content or add your own review or whatever you need. Now, you absolutely can just leave it the way it is and you'll probably do just fine. But I do recommend coming in and adding some content. This video, well, let me back up just a minute. Okay, this is a post, and that's what this is. So let's take a look at where that's at. If we go to post, all post, okay, here are your featured reviews. And when I say featured, what I mean by that is these reviews are done by hand, not by a plugin. These are done manually by you, because those are the ones that's going to make you the money. Okay, so this review or this post is right here. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, here's your title. Okay, and here we are within the actual post or review. Now, let's talk about this just real quick. Within your featured reviews, of course you want to have a product description just to kind of give what it's about and maybe some details about the product. And you want to make sure and have nice large images of the product. Okay. And this is a video which I'm going to show you where these come from in just a second. And here's a buy area, another large image. And then we start getting to some of the customer reviews of the product. Now this is where you'd want to come in maybe and insert your own review. Now when I talk about that, there's some guidelines that you can go by. Basically within a featured product review, you want to take care of all the W's, or why, what, when, where, how. You want to tell who this product is for, what the person might get out of the product, and things like that, because that's going to give your reader more value and they're more likely to click on your link. Okay, now these reviews are set up, they're ready to go, but I definitely recommend adding some content to them, and it's very easy. Just come in and do it right here. Now these have buy areas. Again, this image is a link to Amazon. It links to this product. This buy area links to the product, and then of course all the images in any buy areas. So again, what you'd want to do is come into this post, this featured product review, and just to remind you, they're in all posts. And what you'd want to do is click on your replace button again and do the same thing that you did on the home page. You're going to type in your ID /20, and then you're going to replace it with your own Amazon affiliate ID and click on replace all, and that'll take care of your affiliate ID so that you can get paid for any sales. Now let's talk about this video. This is a short code from one of your video players. You have two really nice video players that you can use. This is the one that I use when I'm building the sites. And that is this video. Okay. Now I'm going to go over here where it says Video Mate. If you click on Video Mate, okay, these are all the videos that has been added. This video, it's the Joker Halloween costume, is right down here. Okay. So if you click on this button right here, the little pencil and paper, you can edit it, and that'll take you to the screen that you can see all the details about the video. Right here is that short code that I was talking about. Right here. Okay. Now, if you want to change this video out, all you need to do is go get the video that you want to add. You'd come down here and put the video title. You can click on Add. And then you would put the YouTube URL to the video right here. The video player template, you can select different templates. Okay. Then you want to select the size. You want to make sure and change this to maybe 450 because it gets quite large. The video player is actually quite large. So 450 is about this size right here, and it don't overtake the page. And again, this is using Video Mate. Now when you get your information in, you just click on Save, and what it'll do, pardon me, it'll give you a short code, which is this short code right here, and then you just place this short code within your post where you want the video to show, which is right here. Now you have another option for videos. And so if you come into your individual reviews and you want to put another video, if you want to put one right here, you can delete this. But you have another video player, which is this button right here. And this is a little bit more advanced video player. So if you just click on that, it's going to bring up this screen. And again, what you would do is just take the video location, wherever you have the video hosted, you'd put that URL here. Then you can choose autoplay if you'd like. You can choose a size right here. You can even have your own splash image. You can have your logo on the video. You can do a whole bunch of different things, and these are all the different styles. And then you can actually even put a payment button. Okay. I would recommend using this because it's really cool. The reason I didn't use this when I'm building the site because it's just faster for me to do it using Video Mate. But you do have that option. Okay, so these individual reviews, which are the three you'll see here, are all post. And that's where you can go in and edit the post. Now let me just talk about categories real quick. Now all of your categories are going to be where it says categories, so if you just click on that, you'll notice that you have some all the categories are pre-made. Now you can change the name of these categories if you'd like. This one right here actually just needs to be deleted, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete that. Okay, so you look at all the categories. Now I'm gonna go over this. I added a blog category. Now this is a category that you can have a auto posting plugin to post articles into this category. Okay, an example of a plugin might be WP Robot, adding articles into the blog category. Now you always want to have a blog category because you want to be adding content, and it don't matter that it's auto posted by a plugin. You just want to have articles related to what you're promoting on your site. You want to have articles on your site, and you want to put them all in one category. So I made the blog category, and that you can set up a plugin to post into. The featured product reviews category, again, is this, all of your featured product reviews, the ones we just went over. And then there's a forum category that if you want to, what I like doing is making a forum category and then using a Yahoo Answers plugin to auto post into the forum category. Now there's some great Yahoo Answers plugins that you can pick up really cheap, and you can set them up to auto post into the forum category. Again, this will help bring more traffic, and Google will love those types of things. So you want to go ahead and try to get something posted in the forum and then articles into the blog. Now this category is called more popular products. Now I put this category in so that you could use another Amazon plugin to auto post products into this category. Okay, so let's take a look at your plugins real quick. Now you have a bunch of plugins at your disposal. Not all of them are activated, but you do have some really cool plugins. Now, as far as Amazon plugins, you have Associate Goliath. I'm sorry, as far as Amazon auto posting plugins for posting products, you have Goliath. And you have Robot, and you have Zon Builder. Okay, if you wanted to activate one of those plugins and auto post into this category, that would be fine. You also have Great Answers, which is a Yahoo Answers plugin that I talked about before that you could post into the forum category. So you can activate that if you like. Opt-in Crusher is an awesome list building plugin. It's deactivated right now, but you can activate that and use that, and what it will do is put a nice opt-in form right down here at the bottom of your site. Now, just to kind of tell you a little bit about Upsellazon, is another Amazon plugin that puts related products on your site. Extendazon is a shopping cart. Convertazon puts buy areas on your site. And you won't need to use most of these plugins, but you can if you'd like. And in the other video that I'm fixing to make, we're going to go over more about these auto posting plugins, the Amazon, the Goliath, and Robot, and Zon Builder. We're going to go over more of those because those are utilized in the Amazon stores. Remember, these sites, the non-stores, are the ones that's going to be making you the money. The stores will make you money too, but they're going to do it in a different way. And these are very personal sites that you can personalize and really start to make some money from. Okay. So we're going to stop the video here. It's a very long video, I know, but I felt that it might help you understand your sites a little bit more. Now in the next video, we're going to go over those Amazon auto posting plugins a little bit better, and we'll talk to you here in just a minute.